What's up, YouTube? CJD here from Chris's Junkyard Designs with another recent cracks video. This is going to be a real good one. We got some Greenlight, we got an Earl, we got some Johnny Lightning, we got some Mini GT. So a mix of all more premium cars this time than the Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So got a few to go through, so let's get rolling here. We'll start off with this Greenlight 39 Chevy panel truck. Absolutely love this casting. I have a bunch of them in this casting, which I'm sure people know. And Shell is my favorite livery, so this is absolutely perfect. I had to grab it. So very cool looking. The old Shell livery, I guess. It's just cool. Very cool looking stickers. Decals on there, and the wheels are always awesome. So really cool looking. Absolutely love it. Beautiful, beautiful truck. You got the yellow around the windshield, which I love. This looks great. Okay, next up we have an Ertl American Muscle. This car is very light, which surprised me. It almost feels like the whole thing is plastic. It doesn't even feel like die cast. It looks awesome. It's very, very light. This is a 1960 Ford Starliner. The model, like I said, is absolutely gorgeous, but it just feels like a cheap toy. It doesn't feel like it has any weight to it whatsoever. But it's very cool. It's for sure. Beautiful looking. Red interior. The trunk opens but doesn't stay open, and there's nothing in it anyway, so most of these, let me get this hood open. That did stay open, I believe. We got a little bit of engine detail in there. Got the separate pieces on the bottom here for the exhaust. Nicely detailed underneath. These old Earls had great detail underneath. Very nice. And the trunk, like I said, does open, but shuts right away. So it's just black in there. Nothing to really see. It says UFO 95. So this is a really sweet model. That's one of the ones I got at that indoor flea market. Very cool looking piece. Okay, next up we got another Greenlight 73 Chevy Chevelle Laguna. I love this casting. I think this is my second or third variation. I can't remember. It's third. I think there was a shell one, and that black one, and now this one, I think. Hood opens, doesn't stay open. It shuts immediately. Awesome color. Love the stance of this thing. So cool. And I'll show you. You can get her open. I'll hold it open. This is your basic orange and black motor in there. Looks cool. Metal base, rubber tires. The white wall looks really good on all four of these. Nice and round. Very happy about that. It's a beautiful car. Next up, we got a Johnny Lightning 1967 Plymouth GTX convertible. This was another one I got at the indoor flea market. Love the color of this. A beautiful color. The hood does open and stay somewhat open on this one. Wheels look great. Paint looks great. You can see the motor, but it's just like before. Orange and black looks great. With the nice plastic convertible top that's up, which I actually like better. Fully decoed, of course. Beautiful car. So we got another Greenlight 1963 Chevy Impala SS convertible with the top up as well. In this beautiful blue color. Love the wheels on this too. Absolutely love those wheels. This is one of the Barrett Jackson ones, I believe. I think it said it sold for 90 grand. If I remember right. I looked at it. Very nicely detailed in the back. It opens on these. This is the normal Impala engine, which is the same for the lowriders and all that because it's the same casting. Beautiful. This will go into case with those other Greenlight Impalas. And we got another Greenlight 1977 Plymouth Fury police car. I think this is my first Plymouth Fury from Greenlight, and I absolutely am loving this casting. It is very solid. It feels very solid. I like the way it looks. So probably be looking for more Plymouth Furies now and police cars. I think the A-Team Army one was a Plymouth one. I wanted to get that too. And this is Hazard County Sheriff, so I had to grab it. Looks great. Another one, and the hood opens, but it doesn't stay open. So I'll show you in a second. Look how beautiful that is. That is an awesome casting. Big blue motor in there. And that time it looked like it stayed open. No, it doesn't. But metal body, metal base, heavy car. Very nicely done. Police car. And the next one I showed you guys already, I'll show it real quick because we're going to see a few more of these. This is that 49 Buick Roadmaster convertible. This is from the Rain Man one in Greenlight. Like I said, I absolutely love this car. And I will get all the ones they make in this, I'm sure. I think this yellow one is still my favorite out of the next ones that I got. Is a beauty. Okay. This is Black Bandit Series 1, which also looks awesome. all blacked out. Looks great. White walls look good on this one too. Very nicely done. Nothing opens on this one, and that's good. Don't need to open. Okay, now we got another one in black, convertible, but this one has the top up. This is absolutely beautiful too. Love the wheels. The red interior. The tan top. This is just gorgeous. What a car. These all go in the display case together. I cleared out some display cases today. Took all my Hot Wheels Classics out. I've been looking at them for a while now. And I'm going to separate them all and put them in with their mainline counterparts and the jammers. And make room for cars like this up there. I want a whole display case of these different old cars. So this one's very cool. Very nice looking. And then we got her in green. Also very awesome looking. Same wheels as the black one. Red interior is the same as the black one. And the tan top's the same. It's basically just the color of the paint they changed on it. This beautiful mint green color. Definitely a favorite of mine now is this casting. I love it. And we got one more, guys. This one came in a hitch and tow. I'll show the trailer in a minute. Here's another one with the top up. Beautiful colors on this one. I saw this one. I had to grab this one immediately. And this brown and light cream color. Gorgeous car. Love how that brown comes down the center like that and fans out at the bottom. That looks great. And you got the chrome accents still mixed in there. Nice trailer hitch, not too huge. Looks like a normal trailer hitch. What a beautiful car. Yep. Beautiful. White walls look great on this one too. All of them were really good. And then I'll show the trailer with little Airstream 16-footer. I think they called it a Bambi one. Matching paint colors. Looks awesome. Nice sturdy little trailer. It's all metal on the top. Plastic base, I believe. Yeah, it's plastic base. Which needed to be tightened. It was actually loose. I never had that out before, but the base was actually loose on this. But beautiful detailing. You got scroll work on the tops there. The Airstream right there. Beautiful. There's 2 propane tanks in the front. We'll see if we can get these two together in the shot here. Span out a little bit. There you go. There's the set. What a beautiful set. Some scroll work above the wheels too. I just noticed that on the trailer and the car. Yep. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that combo. Alright, that'll do it for the 49 Buick Roadmaster, the ones I got, and I have 5 of them. I think that's all I have out right now. Alright, next up we got a Johnny Lightning. I think this was a 70 Charger. I think. I don't remember. Zinger in Rat Fink, which is completely awesome. So I had to grab this one. Love the two-tone paint and the wheels. Two-tone wheels right there. Looks great. Awesome looking Zinger. Go in the Rat Fink collection. Very cool. And we got another Rat Fink car. I believe this was a 74 Roadrunner. 2 or 74, I can't remember. You can't read the damn thing underneath there. It's so tiny. Auto World casting, which looks absolutely great in this Rat Fink. The matte black. Love it. Great casting. The Rat Runner. Hood opens on this one. I don't remember if it stays open or not. I think it does. Yes, it does. Blue and black. Very cool. Okay, now we'll wrap things up with a couple Mini GT Kaido House 71. You saw Fair Lady Z. This beautiful color. Absolutely looks great. This is an awesome casting. These are actually on sale today, guys, on Surplus Goodies for 14 bucks. Wish I would have known that was coming. $13.95. Couldn't believe it. I looked at it today, and J-Card Diecast has a special going. I know it was on Black Friday, but I think it's today too, if there's any left of some of the older Kaido House, 2 for 25 bucks of the matching older 510s. So, if you guys want to pick any of them up, those were 2 good places to score them for a cheap, cheap price, because I paid 20 on all mine. I don't know if I brought anything here to pop that hood open. Hold on. This here should work. Okay, because opening this hood's a pain in the butt. Go from underneath, pop it. There we go. There's your engine details. Absolutely awesome. Kaido House. The yellow roll bar in the back. Brown in the seats. There's the base. See, there's the hole right there. You can pop the hood in. Looks awesome. Another awesome Kaido House. Really liking these. Okay, now we'll check out the blue one. Same car, just in blue. Beautiful. Love them both. They both look great. This also has the yellow roll bar. I believe the seats are bluish colored. Yep. Just look awesome. So beautiful. Models they make. Are such beautiful models. All of them. I really like these though. Let's get this hood opened. Okay. There you go. In blue with the Kaido house on the motor. There's your blue seats. Yellow roll bar. Same kind of base. Beautiful. And we're showing both of those babies. Let me close the hood on this one. There we go. Well, that'll do it, guys, for this episode of Recent Cracks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for all the likes and the comments. Really appreciate it. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend.